Well, it's been a minute, but we're back in it. This package we unboxing today is the Connex Swiftbook Pro laptop that I'm pretty sure many people have even heard of the name. Connex is a brand established in South Africa in 2011. They make laptops that are lightweight, affordable, and whatever smart means. The specs are Intel Celeron dual-core CPU up to 2.8 GHz, Intel UHD graphics, Windows 11 Edu, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage, which is also expandable. Inside the box, the laptop is steadily placed and wrapped with this soft plastic material, and underneath is the charger, the warranty card, and a tiny screwdriver. Here is the laptop. My first impression is how thin and light it is. It's 20 millimeters thin and only weighs 1.4 kg. The left side of the laptop has an HDMI port, a USB 3.0 port, and a charging port. The front side is really thin and it has an indent to help you push it open. The right side has a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack slot, and a USB 2.0 port. The rear is completely blank with the hinge taking up most of the space, and the top is a glossy finish of the logo. You know what I think? I think the design of this laptop is very slick. It has the modern design language of simplicity and powerful. I also like the color scheme of the gray body and the black keyboard and touchpad. Let's talk about the keyboard. Like I said before, I like the design and the layout. The key presses don't take much getting used to, but I don't like the D-pad. It's too cramped, but I don't see it as a problem to not buy this laptop. Now, this webcam is bad. It has a 0.3 megapixel camera, and I didn't even know megapixels can go that low. But with decent lighting, you can at least make out the face. Damn.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
Okay, let's boot up the laptop and see what we've got here. We are booted up to Windows 11 and I'm impressed with the display. It's better than I thought it would be. The screen is 14-inch 1366 x 768 display and can really show off 1080p videos. My phone's camera is not doing justice recording this screen. On a side note, I gotta say though, Windows 11 is really refreshing and intuitive. I like the new design. I've seen it on videos, but in person it's really good. I don't know what the hate is about. The design at least is top notch. So this is an example of the display and the sound.
The ultra stuff. They're packing in the highest end chip they can. That's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 here in the US with a massive new cooling.
Oh, I forgot to show you one more thing. The speakers are underneath and the expandable storage slot is here. So now the big question is this: Should you buy this? Well, it's complicated. The touchpad is really bad and I recommend using your own mouse. This laptop can feel very cheap in the hands, but the design and performance will surprise you. The laptop can run many games as well, but the storage capacity is very low. If you will buy this, you will need to expand your own storage. It also does not help that there's only 2 slots for USB, but this laptop is under 4,000 Rand and it's worth it for people who don't do intense tasks on their PCs. The battery is decent enough and it's the ultimate stealth PC. Buy this only and only if you want a brand new PC that will let you do basic computer tasks, because the SwiftBook Pro won't disappoint you in that regard. Thanks for watching.